lift the whole damn thing up. The other option is basically to have this carriage sitting back here, and when you complete it to this section we have, is to remove your two stops and basically tilt it backward to get it up there and push it up there. I believe if you have that option available, it would be much easier.
Because this unit here probably weighs in the neighborhood of about 400 or 500 pounds. The total weight of this sawmill when it's shipped is a little over 800 pounds, so bear that in mind.
Okay, let's move on to a little bit more of the other issue you will have. Is if you look right here on either side, you have these black, I'm going to call them mounting blocks because I don't know what else you would call them, but you have to be able to mount these posts in your carriage rollers and then slide them inside these. So these two posts have to go in at the same time.
And the other thing that bears mentioning is you need to loosen all four of these on both sides to get the legs to go in.
Now then we get to the good part. You will get two of these cables and they will come just like this. We played with this and played with this. I'm going to show you what was for us the easiest way to get these cables to go in. You untangle them.
Which, if you've ever messed with cable, you know just how daunting that can be. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and show you exactly what the cable is. It will look just like this. It is a braided cable. So if it gets frayed, it stabs you.
Like that. And yes, it has stabbed me and will probably stab me before I get this back in. So the easiest way I found is these loops are flexible. So you start here and you slide it through this one. You bring it up. You slide it into this one. And you bring it down. And then you merely take your little pin and pin it back in. Where's my Carter key? Right here. All right, just stick it in for now. We'll stick that in now, and I will bend that over in a moment. I just don't want my pin to slide out is all. All right, well.
It says no.
Yeah, well.